Well, welcome back to the Zabel 700 build. Today, we are going to be melting this down to fit it onto the carb. We'll be tearing this up. Hopefully, we can get this thing melted down pretty good and onto the carb. It's got to be fairly wide to get onto there, so. For the 660, we really had to melt the crap out of it for it to work. So, and the same exact carburetor we're putting on the Zabel 700. So, see if we can melt this thing down and get that on. And this is one of the bigger things that has to be done, along with messing around with the electrical. Then after this, most of it, the big thing will be the pipe. We need to get the pipe done by somebody, but most of this should come together fairly quickly, hopefully. Once I get the carb done, and once I get the electrical done. Just the pipe's going to take a while though. This thing's really got to be flexible to actually be put on there. So, and it's definitely melting a bit now. It's actually the same size as this one here. Now, I don't know why they put this stupid thing on this thing, because they actually had a smaller, they could have done a smaller intake on that. So, it gets pretty flexible and pretty hot, but it really needs to be extremely flexible and hot for this thing to work. As far as wrapping around that carburetor. You can see it's already starting to melt a little bit. Of course, you don't want to melt it so much it doesn't work. So, put holes in it. So it's going to take some time. Last time it took quite a while to get this to work, but then again, I didn't get it completely melted at first when I first was trying it, so which is what I'm trying to do this time, is get a lot more melted. So it basically just wraps right around it. It works this time. Pretty melted. Got it right on. Just need to let it dry. I really let it cool down. Alright, so I need to just put this on now. Oh, man. So tight. Alright, this is the problem. So, since the Maicos is not case inducted, the carb sits up here, and it's just closer in the cylinder like this. And so this thing here, sitting down lower, and it does go back further. Hence, this carb is not working in this frame. And this airbox is not going to line up. So, yeah, the main thing is there's no clearance here. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the carb. I mean, try a smaller carb. What would happen if I put this one on, for example? It's Keenan. I mean, it still gets annoyed at the shock. Let's get some room to put the air filter on. But yeah, it's a big problem. Dealing with that. Because yeah, the carb's down, and then it's all advanced back shock. See something here. I think if I cut this thing maybe, because right now it's not coming all the way to the metal. Let me just see what would happen. If I cut that, so come all the way to the metal. And then you're still, when you're still off, you can't really put that directly on there, but it's a little bit better. It's here. You still gotta smash this in to get the alpha filter around it. Yeah, but this is a big problem. So it's going to make it hard to finish this project, is figuring out how to do that.